National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Mills to near Edgerton, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Johnson Creek, Palmyra, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Axonia, Rome, Albion, Milford, Hebron, Sullivan, Rockdale, Buffalo, Pipersville, and Helenville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.